Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel again, and in this video, we are gonna talk about some new features of Redmi Note 4 MIUI 9.2. Let's get started. First of all, the Android version is same. Android 7 Nougat. As you can see, it is MIUI 9.2. In what's new, they said that they have improved system stability and optimized system performance. If you swipe right on the home screen, you can see the new quick access window popped up. You can access various stuff quickly using this window. You can edit the layout using Customize button, drag items at any spot or hide them as well. New themes are also available. New wallpapers and fonts are also available. Few customization in icons as well. That's it for the new update. If you enjoyed this video, then like and share it with friends. Subscribe our channel and help us hit 1000 subscribers. If you are watching on Facebook, then like our page. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon.